Okay, so I'm really excited. I know I look like Adam Sandler right now. I don't feel great. But this is a package I have been waiting for. So we're going to open it together. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Here, give it to me when you pull it out. Oh. Alright. And the grand reveal. Oh, you good?
Static.
We've been wanting a fridge for our room that was good size. And this is a little retro one. Look how big that is for the bedroom. Have all our snacks in there for movie nights with just us.
Heck yeah.
What is that?
Little ice trays.
Oh, nice. I'm gonna link this below, guys, but like I said, this would be perfect to have like in a basement or something too, but I got it because, or I picked it out because it was retro style. That's nice. Energy saver too. Alright, I'll link it below. Okay, had to come back on here because look at that cute little retro handle. We just put that on. And then over here, you have a bottle opener. Perfect for the bedroom. Cute.